Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the Legend 800. Now this is a Gen 4 PCIe SSD from manufacturer Adata. It's a 1TB drive. Packaging is quite simple. Comes in this thin light black box. On the back it has information on the compatibility. So without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. Now that we have the drive open, you can see that the plastic tray has both the M.2 drive as well as a heatsink. It has 4 memory modules and the controller chip, the end that goes into the motherboard, and the place for the screw to pin it down. So we will connect this to one of our test systems, copy some files, do some synthetic as well as real world tests, and tell you how this performs. Do get subscribed if you aren't for the full deep dive video. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.